Hi guys, welcome to Monetize. I'm going to record my weekly forecast video. I'll be covering two currency pairs which are already running, and I've posted these trades in my private Telegram channel. Apart from that, I'll be covering a couple of new trade setups. So let's begin, and we have to cover a lot. So let's move on to Euro AUD quickly. Starting from the monthly time frame. As per the monthly, I'll try to keep it as short as possible. So as per the monthly, the MACD pressure is still bearish, and also the MACD lines, they are flowing towards downside. So the monthly bias is bearish, and I'm going to mark the monthly levels. I've turned it into a line chart, and I'm going to mark the critical points. So this is the level. Until we have a break above this zone, I won't say the Euro AUD pair is bullish. Switching to weekly. As per the weekly, we have the highest point here, which is around 1.6210, and this was a pullback into this zone, the structure which I've marked, and again it started flowing towards downside. We also have a hidden bearish formation on MACD histogram. So all these points, they are hinting towards the continuation of bearish trend. Switching to daily now. On the daily, we got a bearish divergence followed by the break of structure. After the break of structure, there is a pullback, and usually it is towards fib retracement area 5261. So I'm going to mark the fib from this high, starting from this high to the recent most lowest point. So even if we target fib 50%, that is around 1.4953. So that's the reason when I've given a buy trade during the week, I was confident that it should reach around 1.4953, and our target was around 1.4800. And we still have a bullish setup as per the MACD histogram, because the histogram is green, and we also have a bullish cross here. So monthly and weekly are bearish, but daily is not bearish. So we do not have a bearish synchronization as per the three consecutive higher time frames. Let's look on 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we have bullish divergence. This is the bullish divergence I'm talking about, a massive one. Then we got a break of structure. So I'm going to turn it into a line chart to mark the structure. The first structure, this is the lowest point, this is the second lowest, and high connected rate. The first structure is not all that significant, so I'm going to mark the structure which is more significant. So I'm marking the lines here, number 1, and I'm going to change the color. Let's keep it red, and this is the high connected to that low point. So the bulls, they have took over the control, but they could not make a higher high based on this high point of the structure. It reached to the highest point as per the structure level and started coming down. At the same time, we do not have a break of this structure, and we have higher high formation. I'm just going to explain you on the charts. So this is the first high. One second. This is the first high I'm talking about, the second high. So we have higher high, and we also have higher lows. So still we do not have a bearish setup, but the higher time frames, they are bearish. So we can mark a support trend line here connecting the low points. So this support trend line means the rising trend line would be our point of invalidation. If we get a break below this rising trend line, something like this, I'll say the market has turned bearish again, even on the lower time frame. Until then, we can have a touch of this, means a retest of this rising trend line, and continuation higher towards 1.4950. So I've advised all my private channel clients to cut down the exposure because we do not have the synchronization.